Alhamdulillah, all the containers has been filled now. Look. All has been filled. Oh. All is done now. Now we're going to cover it with foil and take it out to Labrador School. And then, there are about 800 people waiting there to enjoy our chicken curry with potato. All right? Okay. Thank you so much, sisters. May Allah bless you. Thank you, Kareem. And inshallah, now we are taking this food to the Labrador and Labrador School. We have just arrived at the school and we're going to move the food. Hi Sam, I need some volunteers. Wait a minute. Hello, how are you? I need some volunteers to move some chicken curry.
Yeah, we'll be. There's some volunteers here.
Yeah, can I? Hey Sam, how are you? I'm okay.
How are you?
I bought about chicken curry and all that.
Oh, fantastic.
So I need some volunteers to help us.
And you got the boys here as well.
Yeah, because they helped me up cooking this just now.
Oh, fantastic.
I just finished cooking.
Some volunteers here. And the white shirts.
White shirt, okay.
We'll get Cam and Susie's over here, Baba.
Okay. Hey Cam, how are you? Good to see you, bro. I'm okay. You lost weight. Yeah, I can see from face.
Nervous.
Okay, I've got about 50 kilo of chicken. Yeah. So
Okay, bring it in.
So I need some volunteers to help me out. Fill me. Hello, Mike. Good. It's pretty heavy. Okay. There's gravy in it. Gravy. So you'll be all right here. Yeah. You take one by one. Okay.
One for you.
One. Yes. All right.
Another crate for you.
Okay. All right. Do you have any more volunteers? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Hello. How are you?
Thanks, how
Good
are
to see
you?
you. Okay. Good. Any more volunteers? No. Oh yeah. Just finished cooking. Okay. Maybe I'll take one. Give it to me.
Careful.
Hey, Sam. Where do you put the food? Oh. All right. Okay. Where do you put it? Here? Where do you get the chicken? The chicken curry? Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Where the other trays? Oh, here? I've got about 3 more trays. Yeah, totally there were 8 trays there over there. Yeah, all halal. Anybody can eat, no problem.
Are these all halal?
All halal. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, wow.
3 more to come. It's 50 kilos of chicken.
Oh, this heaps, bro.
Yeah, 50 kilos because they told me it's about 800 people. So I said, okay. All right. So it's just help me. Oh, here. Okay. Any more left?
This is the last one.
That's the last one. Okay. See, they packed the salad. All the chicken is done. I think.
Can you lift that onto there for me?
Sure, yes, sure. All right, look at that. They all stack up the food. Look, all food are stacked up here. Everything stacked up. All volunteers here. All these are all. Yeah, here. All right, here we go. Well, I'm here with the man, Sam the man. Okay. All right, Sam. How are you?
Very good, Baba.
Good. So both of us are here. So we just brought in 50 kilos of chicken breast with potato, 30 kilos potato, so 80 kilos altogether. So this is our 3rd year and expecting about 800 people today. All right.
Yes, and we've got our laundry van coming in. They're just here.
Okay. All right.
So
Good.
this will help people who don't have a washing machine.
That's right.
We've got a hairdresser.
That's right.
It's wonderful.
Wonderful.
Elvis is here too.
Oh yeah, here.
No, you want to get on stage?
Yeah, no way, man. I can't sing. All right, I'll see you, Sam. Thank you very much.
Really
all the
good to
best.
see you.
Okay.
Thank you for what you do.
All right, take a photo. Okay, we just delivered chicken curry with potato, and they're enjoying it. And well, that's the whole idea. We want them to enjoy good food, and this is their year-end lunch. Okay, we see you next time. Thank you.